Good morning, dear students. Today we will start the chapter 9 Internet and Email Account. So, before starting, we should know about what is Internet. Most of you have heard about the Internet, and many of you might have seen the Internet being used for searching information on a topic, for news, for sending emails, etc. Now we will go through about Internet services. Internet stands for International Network. Internet is the amazing gift of technology, and it is the internet which makes it possible to contact with the rest of the world from anywhere at any time. Internet is the network of networks. Now we will understand about the advantages of internet. So here is the first advantage: electronic mail. It is the most popular feature of internet. We can send and receive messages from computer anywhere in the world. A user can exchange any kind of information like text, graphics, images and messages, etc. Second advantage is sharing information. You can access latest news on the internet. Through internet, one can share information on any subject and get updated. You can directly get connected to institutes or organizations. For example, your online classes are going on with the help of Zoom app. So by this app, we are sharing information with each other. Next advantage is online shopping. Shopping through internet is known as e-shopping. You can buy various things on internet. Payments can be made by credit cards and desired items get delivered at your home without visiting the market. This is the another advantage of internet. Next advantage is entertainment. Internet enables us to download various programs, movies, games, songs, etc. Next is medical facilities. You can get connected to hospitals, get appointments online in case of emergencies. So, all these facilities are provided by internet. Now we will discuss about some internet terms which are used by us in our daily life. First is www or World Wide Web. It is a huge collection of web pages stored on the internet. These pages may contain text, graphics, audio, and link to other pages. Next is web page. It is a document that contains text, images, and multimedia. The web page also includes some highlighted words that are linked to other web pages. These are known as hyperlinks. Next term is website. Website is a collection of related web pages. Just like a collection of pages make a book, a collection of web pages make a website. Now we will understand about web browser. It is a software required to install on your computer to use the internet. It allows you to read the web pages on the World Wide Web. Here you can see some most popular web browsers like Opera, Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer and Microsoft Edge. Next is URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Each website or web page has an address that is called its URL. Some most popular URL are google.com, prachindia.com, discovery.com, cartoonnetwork.com, etc. Here you can see one is given www.internet.com. So it is called URL. Last is home page. What is home page? It is the first page you see when you enter a website. A home page has links to other web pages of the website. For example, look at home page of this. Here you can enter the URL or the websites. Thank you. Have a nice day.